Good morning, YouTube. Out here on this lovely, chilly morning, but beautiful day. Welcome to the Challenge Show. Pretty excited. We're going to finally get some gravel for the laydown yard, and it's rained the last couple days. This whole side up here is pretty good and wet. It's holding water back there, which I don't really have much place for it to go because them trees are in the way, and then I'm going to open that up, but the water ain't even made it to the back yet, so I might have to re-scoop around that, and I might do that real quick before the gravel guy gets here. But if not, then hopefully I can. This is good and dry. Hopefully I'm gonna get him to back about right where we're sitting and dump that gravel out there. So there's a truck right there. Come on, lady. He spread that awesomely down through here, nailed it right on the head, and I got plenty of gravel left. So like I said, I'm gonna spread this up against this bank, but not all the way against it, so it makes almost like a little ditch or whatever to divert the water back around the backside. Get this spread out, and then I can start using this. I might start putting some stuff down here today, but it's pretty wet right now, so I don't know how much I'll do. Buddy Marv, I don't think he's in any videos yet with it, but he got himself a bulldozer. I am patiently waiting for it to come back, and I'm gonna take that dirt out of that area and push over here to my turnaround spot. So yeah, buddy, can't wait. Let's get some gravel spread out, start getting some stuff put down here, shall we? Well, there you go, folks. I'm excited about this. Ain't really gonna be able to utilize this as a turnaround or anything like that. Storage, yes. The truck and trailer come up here and turn around. Park it here. Keep it out of the way up there. We're gonna go ahead and strike this fire up, and I'm gonna start moving implements down here while this is burning. I need to clean that out a little bit more. There's some rocks that's fell off the bank and kind of clogged it up, but hey, water's running that way. And we got our gravel. So let's get some stuff moved. this thing's sounding rough. I foresee a build in our future, 8-in hydraulic pump build in our future. Yeah. Well, I think that's gonna have this one a wrap, folks. I got my stuff parked down here, all the trash cleaned up from behind the house, getting it cleaned up real nice. And yeah, there's a little bit left. That's 24 tons. There's a little bit left back there. You see me move, but right there it is. Yeah, getting this staging area set up, and once Marv gets that dozer back, we'll push this dirt out of here. I'll use the excavator, pull it back, and then push it and kind of put more dirt in this turnaround spot, and then have a little bit of a level area right there to also store stuff. Once all that's said and done to my liking, then I'll get another load of gravel and finish this side, put it down here for turning around, and maybe over there, and then start placing stuff in its new home. So yeah, thanks for watching the Chilton Show, and stay tuned for, I guess, part 5, which will be the final part of this, because after that I think I'll be done. Yeah, God bless. Catch you on the next one.